What's going on, everybody? I'm Jackson Taylor. This is Maisie Taylor, and this is Harley Taylor. And today we kind of wanted to give a little update on our Ark Pride Blackberries. And as you can see, they're about the size of like a strawberry in the palm of my hand.
Jeez,
so they're very
big.
cool. Yeah.
Here's our bush.
So this is the blackberry bush that we have. Tell them a little bit about it, Harley. How long's it? It's okay. How long's it been in the ground, Harley? Do you know?
A year.
A year? Where did we have it originally? Do you remember? No. Where do we have it, Jackson?
Raised bed.
Raised bed.
So we just decided to transplant it here. And it kind of died a little bit, as you can see right here, but then it kind of just decided to take off. And we get new shoots like this one right here, and it's growing a lot of blackberries. And so,
Dad,
yeah.
can we pick them?
Yeah, you guys could pick a couple.
Here, you want to try this one, Mimi?
Let's watch Maisie eat this big one.
Ooh. Dad, can I have two since that one?
Yeah.
That's delicious.
It's delicious. What does it taste like, May?
Juicy, sweet.
Juicy, sweet. Does it taste really, really good? Yeah? All right, Harley, what do you think?
That's great.
Is it sweet? Yeah, cool. Wow.
We're eating another one, so that just shows you that they are really good. This specific type of blackberry actually is thornless, and it produces twice a year, which is also really cool. And another really cool thing about this is that unlike other types of blackberries that have the growth from last year, and that's where the blackberries come out of, these types of
They only produce on the growth from last year. Most other blackberries.
And this type produces on the new growth from the year that it is. So that's just kind of our update on our Ark Pride blackberries. We'll see you next time. Subscribe.